hardware devices. On that day I have told you about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware are that part of computer which we can touch with our hands and we can see with our eyes. That are called hardware. Like keyboard, mouse, monitor. These all are hardware devices because these we can touch with the hands and we can see them also. So these are called hardware devices. Now I am going to explain you some of the hardware devices which are given in your book. Now first device which is given in your book, that is touch screen. Okay, you can see in your book it is given touch screen. What is touch screen? Nowadays you have seen touch screen mobile phones like this. Okay, one screen is there and this screen we can touch with the finger. Okay, we can touch with the finger and then we can work on it. These are called touch screen. Like you have seen mobile phones. What you do in mobile phone? You touch with the finger and then you work on that. So these are known as touch screen. Okay, and these touch screens are used mostly nowadays. And this touch screen is an input device. Okay, this is an input device of the computer because when we touch this, the data is entered into the computer. That's why it is called input device. Now next device which is given in your book, that is scanner. Now what is scanner? You might have seen a photocopy machine. Okay, a photocopy machine you have seen. It is somewhat like this. Okay, a photocopy machine you might have seen in the shops. What you do in photocopy machine, if you have to take the photocopy of this page, what you do, you put like this on the machine and then this page is scanned and the photocopy is printed on another page. Okay, so like that scanner is there. What is the work of scanner? This scanner scans the pages, okay, these pages and send it as it is into the computer. Okay, into the computer. If you want to send pages into the computer, for that we use scanner. Means same way, same color, same pattern, same as it is, this page will be transferred, will go inside the computer and then this page you can see on the computer screen. That is the work of scanner. What it do? It converts the pages into the format in which we can see on the computer screen. Okay, send the pages into the computer so that we can see these pages on the computer screen. That is the work of scanner. Okay, now next one that is given in your book, that is printer. Okay, printer, so many times you might have heard this device name printer. Okay, and you all know that this printer is used for printing. Okay, like if you want to print anything on pages, so for this we use printer. Printer is also known as hard copy device. Okay, this is known as hard copy device. Why it is called hard copy device? Because when we print with the printer, we get this we get printed pages, and that pages we can touch and see. That's why these are called hard copy device. So mainly printer is used for printing. So many times you might have seen printers. Okay, or when you give exam, you get one question paper that is also printed using the printer. Now next device which is given in your book, that is plotter. Okay, now what is plotter? Plotter is also a kind of printer only. Okay, it is also used for printing. This plotter is also used for printing, but only one difference is there between printer and plotter. Printer prints on small pages. Okay, printer can only print small pages and this plotter can print big pages. If you want to print small pages like your book size pages, so you will use printer. But if you want to print big pages like big holdings you might have seen, okay, if you want to print like that, so for that printing plotter is used. Okay, so plotter is also a kind of printer. Only one difference is there. Printer prints small pages and plotter prints on big pages. Now next device which is given in your book, these are the hardware devices which are given in your book, and this plotter and printer, these are output devices. Why? Because they give result in the form of printing. Okay, these are called output devices. Speaker is also a output device. Okay, because it gives output in the form of sound. Speakers are like this. Okay, you might have seen the speakers you might be having in your home also. Okay, and you might be listening songs and music also with the speaker. Okay, what is the work of a speaker? A speaker is used for listening music. Okay, only one work of a speaker is there. If you want to listen music or loud sound, so for that we use a speaker. Okay. Okay, so this was all about a speaker. Now I am going to tell the next device which is given in your book, that is light pen. Okay, now what is this light pen? Pen you might have used so many times, but what is this light pen? Light pen is simply like this, only one pen is there, but with this light pen you can write anything on the screen of the computer. Okay, if you want to write anything on the screen of the computer, for that light pen is used. We cannot write with this normal pen or pencil. If you want to write or if you want to work on the computer screen, for that light pen is used. Okay, and it is like this. You can see in the book also, one pen is there and one screen is there. Whatever you will write on this screen with the pen, you can see that on the computer screen. So for that we use light pen. And in the school you might have seen a smart board. In that also one pen is there for touching. So light pen is like that only. It is used to touch the screen, computer screen. Now next device which is given in your book, that is joystick. Joystick. Now what is this joystick? Joystick is a device like this. Okay, like this one device is there, like this. It has one handle like this. Okay, this is the handle, and by moving this handle you can move on the screen. Okay, it is mainly used for playing games. If you have played computer games, okay, you might have seen joystick. If you have played computer games, you might have seen joystick. Okay, like if you are playing any racing game, then what happens? If you move this handle, what happens? The car moves like this. Like if you have rotated the handle this side, car moves this side. If you have rotated the handle this side, car moves this side. So like this joystick is used for playing games. Okay, if you have played games in computer, then you might have seen this joystick device. You can see in the book the picture of joystick is given. And now next hardware device which we are going to study, that is pen drive. Now what is pen drive? Pen drive is a small device and it is of this shape like this. Okay, like this. This is a pen drive. Okay, and this is the storage part of the computer. It is used for storing the data. This is the storage of the computer, and in the pen drive we can store any kind of data. And if you want to carry any data from one computer to another computer, like if your friend is having a very good computer game, okay, and you want to take that game, so for that you will use pen drive. You will take the game in the pen drive. Okay, then you will take that pen drive, you will insert in your computer, and then you can copy the game in your computer. So for that we use pen drive. Pen drive is mostly used for carrying the data from one place to another, and it is a very small device. This much size device is there that is used for storing the data. Now next device which is given in your book, that is hard disk. Now what is this hard disk? hard disk is like this. You can see in the book the picture of hard disk is given. Okay, hard disk is like this. It is mostly like this in shape, and it has one like this plate inside that. Okay, metal plate is there. One metal plate is there inside that, and on this metal plate only the data is stored. It is the memory of the computer. Memory means the part of the computer which stores the data. Okay, so this metal plate is there, and on this metal plate data is stored, and this is the main storage of the computer. In every computer hard disk is present, and where it is present? It is present inside the CPU. Okay, if you will open the CPU, then you can get one hard disk inside the CPU. Now next device is your CD. Okay, CD is the next device which is given in your book. That is known as compact disc. The full form of CD is compact disc, and it is circular in shape like this. You might have seen CD, and it is very shiny also. Shiny appearance is there. And in CD also we can store songs, movies, any kind of data. This is also a memory of the computer. Okay. Now last device which is given in your book, that is microphone. Okay, now what is microphone? This microphone is an input device, and this microphone is like this in shape. Okay, like this in shape. This microphone is used for recording the sound or voice. You can record voice or any kind of sound using the microphone. Okay, this is used for recording voice or sound. Like in mobile phone you are having voice recorder. You might have seen so many times in every mobile phone one voice recorder is there. When you on this voice recorder, what happens? The voice is recorded into the mobile phone, and then you can play that voice and you can listen. So in that mobile phone also one microphone is used. Very small microphone is used, but you cannot see that. Okay, so this microphone is like this, and it is mainly used for recording the sound. Speaker is used for listening the sound, and microphone is used for recording the sound. Like this you can see I am also having, this is a microphone. Okay, by this microphone only the sound is recorded. Okay, this is known as microphone. Okay, this shape is there. It is of so many shapes are there of microphone. Main work of microphone is that it is used for recording the sound. And don't get confused. Speaker is used only for listening, hearing the music and sound, and microphone is used for recording the sound and music. So these were some hardware devices which are given in your book. Now next part I will explain in the next video, and watch this video and you will get so much information from this, and next video I will continue. Thank you.